afternoon guys! Welcome back to our channel. Nasa city kami guys. So dito naman kami mag-lakad-lakad. 'Di ba? Nagpark kami dito sa post office. Ano to? Free. No? Pupunta kami sa atrium. Dito kami oh. Wait lang, you cannot see it. You can see my husband there. Ito yung city guys. Nandito kami sa center. Okay, let's go out. Ito yung post office oh guys. Ay, di ba? No! Let's go. Tignan nyo naman dito guys. So, ang ganda-ganda. Ha? Come here na. Ay, nako. Come here na. You don't have to ano there. Let's bring next time. Hindi namin dala yung selfie stick guys. So, medyo shaky ngayon. Wow, parang hindi naman shaky everyday, no? Western.
Right.
Yes, very strict tong ay karag. Very strict tong kasama ko kasi ayaw niya dumaan dun sa may nagbabike.
Frogs.
Da. Ito guys yung train station. Train station. Tapos iyon yung old tram nila.
Yeah, it's an old. And a little we can go to it. Let's go walking. No? Yeah. Go somewhere. No?
Da. We should go next time. When will be your next free day?
By this month, I want to take more. It was just one free day, but one free day it's not enough. Such people love. He was angry. They were angry because. But hey, stop. See, it says for bicycles, right? Why
Yes.
they
Why?
got them? They don't. Generation lost.
Da. Let
That's
them
what
be.
I can say.
Oh, let's go.
They are going. What is that? Is red light, dude. You should have stopped. You said what you can do. What you can do. See, the lady could stop.
Da.
See for bicycle. She's drawn the bicycle.
Da.
The bicycle and for pedestrians. When it's green light, cars stay.
Da. How?
See, those people are the most dangerous.
Da. They don't even say, excuse me, say something like that.
You know, with the thing, I prefer car over this.
Malapit lang kami sa
I prefer
atrium
car,
guys,
no?
yung pinagparkan namin.
Love, I prefer that one.
Da.
I like it 4 wheels.
Punta daw kami ulit sa Hangzhou restaurant guys kasi
Улица?
yeah. Dino.
Street,
Dino.
strada. Улица, it's street, it's our term from street.
Oh.
Улица.
Kasi guys, hindi siya maliit lang yung kinain niya kanina guys kasi ay kumain kami ng turkey. Ha?
Да.
Turkey? Kumain kami ng turkey guys. Ayaw niya yun. Turkey?
Turkish.
Turkey? What? Turkey?
You know what we ate.
Turkey meats and then ayaw niya yun kaya nagpaluto siya ng karne. Pero kaunti lang yung kinain niya. Kaya ngayon andito kami sa city. Gusto niya pumunta sa Hangzhou restaurant kasi nagugutom siya. You're hungry. Let's go, let's go.
You want love or a bit later?
I like a bit later, but you said you're hungry, so
A bit, to be honest. But let's look first here. Let's go ahead. Maybe what if we eat? Oh, look at that. Look at the birds.
let's go then. Let's go ahead. May balita pala ako sa inyo guys. Alam nyo ba? Nagkilo kami kagabi. Excuse me. Nakakabahala na yung kilo namin. Nadagdagan na naman kami. Kung dati 62.4 ako, ngayon 62.6 na siya. How many kilo? You?
Almost 85.
85?
84.6.
Nadagdagan kami guys. Tapos ngayon kakain na naman.
Close to 84.
How can we reduce our weight?
Love, I got 1.5.
Dapat how can we reduce our weight if we keep eating?
But you still have to eat, Tommy. You cannot stop. Logical.
Ay, nako.
You can't stop.
Andito kami sa Daikmahan. Tignan niyo siya, guys.
Huh?
How?
Can you give me the other one, please?
Which one?
The pair of this one to try.
Where did we get that? 43. So, kunin natin tong isa. Para i-try niya. They're good?
I should buy it.
You want me to get the other?
It's 43, no?
Da.
Where it says the size?
That is, I get in the box.
It's 43, no?
I get in the box.
It's not saying the size.
Okay.
Let's see. I'm gonna try them.
Don't put it too much because it will not.
I have to try them.
Wait,
Wow,
how was it?
they're nice. Wow, they look nice. Oh my god, I love them. I should buy them. Huh?
If you like,
How they look on me?
it looks good on you.
Really?
Da. Tingnan nyo guys. May napili siya. Kasi last Saturday, last Tuesday birthday niya, binigyan siya ng pambili. You like that?
No, they're nice. I have shoes.
Da, then, that is good for work.
This one here on my feet.
You like that?
Yeah.
It's not small. If you're going to wear socks.
This one I put on sock.
No, but if you're going to wear socks, the thin one. Huh? If you're gonna wear socks, is it okay?
I think I try with this one to try.
Good?
I should look more. Hey, you know what? I don't
That
have
is-
some pants. I need
Huh?
with jeans. Let's put it back.
What, you like that?
They look nice. This one.
Yeah.
But I still have. I have fila, don't me.
Yup.
Also.
Nakakayamot naman tong kasama ko. May
But I
fila
love
pa
this
daw
also.
siya.
Where is the box?
Here.
This
But I
one.
like that one for you. Di ba ang ganda, guys?
Oh no. I think discounted are just this one, no? Hey, they are discounted just this one. This one is 350. No, they are not discounted though. Only this size. I think. I don't know. I have to ask them first. Let's ask them first. They are discounted only or this is all.
Tanungin daw niya kung discounted pa yun kasi walang cross. Why? If it's discounted, you're going to buy it.
Maybe what you think is buy it or we-
Hello guys! Welcome back again. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog dun sa loob kasi ang lakas ng music, baka makopyright tayo. Punta kaming AFI.
Yeah, if you
Yes. Tatawid kami.
Tata is not here, Tata.
No, I didn't say Tata.
My father is not here.
Huh? I said cross.
What's interesting is here stays the light. Here.
Huh? Change.
Yeah. 15 seconds is changed. This is traffic, that's why. You're gonna see it, immediately it's changed. See? It's changing already, it's red.
That's why we
You have to be an athlete here when you cross this.
Yes.
If you'd have been fatter, oh God, it's gonna be tough.
Don't lie.
Okay.
Can we buy burger?
Yeah. But homemade.
Only one.
We are gonna
we
make
share.
it. We're gonna make it home now.
We have to share.
I'm gonna buy burger that we homemade.
Okay. Guys, pauwi na kami. Tapos na kami gumala. So, pupunta na kami sa Kaufland. Bibili ng kanyang baon for tomorrow. Yes.
He went to red light. Good driver, dude. Good driver you are. On red light. Very,
So
very
what
good.
guys,
Sir.
tignan nyo naman ako. Pawisan.
Very, very good, man. He went on red light. See, look at those people colored.
What happened?
The colorful.
You're tired? Kasi ang usapan namin kanina guys, we are going to wash the car late today, tonight, but then he said that he's tired, that's why we have to cancel.
We have time. We have time.
Yeah, we have time.
May God help us. Main intersection of the city. This is the one. We have to cross this green light, first green light, and after the time, safe.
Maganda ngayon guys kasi wala masyadong traffic. Kaya unlike
Sunday.
before, alam nyo ba dati guys,
What?
every time we go in the city, we have misunderstanding because of parking area.
What? Wow.
He have
Say, wow.
guys, he have issues with parking lot.
Yeah,
That's why we started
It is a-
to that's
is a
why
struggle.
guys we started to park the car in Kaufland and walk through there going
Especially
going
during the week.
yes, going
It
in the
is like
park.
Especially during the week, it is. It is a struggle, really.
That was winter season. Yes, right?
It's indeed a struggle, though.
Super. We have lots of misunderstanding because I said you just have to calm down and then you can find somewhere else. But no, blah blah blah. Mga ganun siya guys. So andito na kami sa Kaufland.
You're very, very funny enough when I hear that.
It's okay. Dito kami sa Kaufland kasi bibili kami ng usually guys dito sa parking lot ng Kaufland 2 hours lang ang dapat mag-stay ang car, kaso ang nangyayari parang ginagawa naming
Wow, there's so many parking lots
parking lot ay
here.
parking
I have
area
a lot
namin.
where to park. A lot
More
of
than 2
ways.
hours. Dun sa kabila guys sa Lidl, kapag sumobra na sa 2 hours, may bayad na guys. Buti dito wala. Ewan ko lang. Sana hindi nila maisipan na na pag nag-exceed ng 2 hours ay pagbabayarin, di ba? Kasi na,
Here, yes. Automatic parking stop.
Bili lang kami dito,
Here
guys.
is 3 hours.
ha?
This is here 3 hours.
3 hours na. Yeah, it's so nice.